Hello! In today's video, we're going to explore how to use the Send via Excel option to send messages using a simple CSV or Excel file. Once you click on the Send via Excel tab, you'll be greeted with a screen to begin this process. To get started, you can click on Sample Format to view the required format for your CSV or Excel upload. It's important to note that the first column needs to be labeled as 2. Make sure to adhere strictly to this naming convention for your fields. It's crucial not to rename them to anything else. The first column, labeled 2, should contain the recipient's phone number. Ensure you add the phone number with the appropriate country code as a prefix. For example, if the country code is 91, prefix the number with 91. You have the flexibility to either add an individual phone number here or a group name if you're sending a message to a group. For individual messages, use a phone number, and for group messages, use the exact group name. The second column is for the message itself. Simply paste the content of your message here. If you wish to attach images or files to your messages, you need to include their URLs in the Image File URL option. Ensure that the URL you provide directly opens your image or file. It shouldn't lead to a web page with the image on it. Instead, it should directly access the image or file. I will later demonstrate how you can generate these URLs within WBizTool. You'll also need the WhatsApp client ID, which I'll show you how to find shortly. When you access your WhatsApp phones, you'll find a WhatsApp client ID associated with them. Simply copy this ID for the number you wish to send messages from, and replace the 0 in the Excel with this ID. The scheduled time field is optional. You can leave it blank, but if you prefer to schedule the message for a later time or maintain a gap between messages, you can specify it here in ISO format. If you leave the scheduled time blank, your messages will be sent immediately, and that's essentially the format you need for your Excel file. Let me explain how to obtain a URL for an image file. We have a tab labeled Image File to URL. Simply upload an image or file like a PDF, and once it's uploaded, click on the copy icon. You'll receive a URL that properly opens your image or file directly. This feature ensures you don't need third-party tools. Once your file is ready, you can name your campaign whatever you'd like, and then upload your CSV. You can select your file, upload it, and start the campaign. It's really that straightforward. Once you initiate the campaign, In the Reports section, you can monitor the campaign's progress. You'll see which messages have been sent and which haven't. The status will indicate Sent for successful deliveries, Pending for messages in progress, and it will show Invalid phone number or Invalid group name if there are any issues.